everyone. Welcome to New School Yoga Club. This is another seated yoga stretch that is perfect for the classroom or office when you need a quick mindful break. So start by sitting up nice and tall. Come right to the edge of your seat so that your feet can plant firmly on the ground. If you'd like to, you can close your eyes and we'll take a few breaths to settle in, coming fully into this present moment. Set aside any thoughts about what's come before, any thoughts about what's next, and bring your awareness to your breath and to your body. And as we move through our practice today, I invite you to maintain your awareness and your attention to your breath and the way the stretches feel in your body. And as thoughts start to come in, as they may pop into your mind, just acknowledge the thoughts and then set them aside and bring your awareness back to your breath. Okay, take one more deep breath here, settling in, and then go ahead and open your eyes. Okay, we'll start with some shoulder rolls today. I invite you to bring the fingertips to the shoulders if that is comfortable and accessible for you. And if it's not, you can do the same movement with your arms extended. That's fine. So if it's comfortable, bring the fingertips to the shoulders, and we'll lead with the elbows and take 4 rolls to the back of the room. Okay, breathing deeply as we do this. For 1. Good, and 2, moving slowly. And 3. 1 more. 4. Good. Don't release yet. We'll take 4 toward the front of the room now. Deep breath in. 1. Continue to breathe. 2. Again. 3. And 1 more time. 4. Good. Go ahead and release that. Okay, now we'll take a cactus stretch. So we'll start by inhaling and bringing the arms up and overhead. Your palms might touch here. And as we exhale, we'll make a cactus or a goalpost shape with our arms opening through the chest as you exhale. Go ahead and repeat that 3 more times. Great big inhale as you bring the arms up. You might even look up at your hands. And as you exhale, come back into that cactus shape, open through the chest. Move with your own breath 2 more times. A great big inhale. And exhale. Okay, last one. A great big inhale. And exhale. Excellent. And go ahead and release that. Okay. From here, we'll take a side stretch. So inhale, bring both arms up and overhead. And as you exhale, we'll take it over to the right. So you're bringing the left arm overhead. Doesn't really matter which side you start with. And you might rest your hand on the arm of your chair or next to your seat. And just take a few more deep breaths holding here, feeling a nice stretch through the side body. After your next exhale, go ahead and just switch sides. Take your time. This time bringing the left hand overhead, the right hand overhead, and reaching over to the left. Breathe here. You might look up at your elbow crease or your hand if it feels okay on your neck. A couple more deep breaths. Okay, on your next exhale, go ahead and release. Okay, from here, we're going to take a forward fold. So if you are seated in in a chair that is attached to a desk. Sometimes we have those contraptions in classrooms, for example. You might need to turn your body to the side, or you might even need to stand up to do this next forward fold. But if you have the space in front of you, join me in trying a seated forward fold. So with your hands just resting on your lap for now, take a great big inhale and lengthen through the spine. And as you exhale, fold forward. You can rest your body right on your thighs. Your hands might come to the ground, or you might just fold your arms and hang. And we'll hold this for 4 deep breaths. You can relax the head. If it feels comfortable, you can make some space for your body to fold between your legs. Just find what feels good for you and your body here. Okay, take one more deep breath. And on your next exhale, take your time rolling back up to a seated position. Okay, excellent. I like to end every practice by taking 3 deep breaths together. So if you'd like to, you can close your eyes. Take a great big inhale, maybe setting an intention for the way you'd like the rest of your day to go. Let it go on your exhale. Take a great big inhale. Let it go on your exhale. One more deep breath. Let everything go on your exhale. Go ahead and open your eyes. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time.